Hi guys, welcome to ASA Technical. In this video I am going to show you how to make your computer run faster. Is your Windows 11 computer running slower than you would like? In this video, we will share valuable tips and techniques to optimize the performance of your computer and make it run faster. So, let's get started. Managing startup programs provides you with better control over your computer performance, resource usage, and overall user experience. It helps optimize boot time, reduce clutter, conserve system resources, and ensure a stable and efficient computing environment. Open Task Manager by using Ctrl Shift Escape key combination or right clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable unnecessary programs from starting with Windows. This reduces the number of programs running in the background and improves startup time. Driver updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Newer drivers are optimized to work with the latest hardware and software, providing better compatibility and performance. By updating your drivers, you can enhance the stability, functionality, and performance of your hardware components, ensuring they work seamlessly with your operating system. Ensure that your drivers and Windows 11 are up to date. Open Windows settings using Windows key plus I. Go to Windows Update and click on Check for updates. Install any available driver and system updates to benefit from bug fixes and performance enhancement. Disk cleanup and storage optimization are recommended to free up disk space, improve system performance, organize files, prevent fragmentation, maintain system health and stability, enable efficient backup and recovery, and ensure long-term storage maintenance. Regularly performing these tasks can help optimize your computer's storage and maintain its performance over time. Open File Explorer and right-click on your system drive, usually C drive. Select Properties and click on Disk Cleanup button. Check the boxes for the types of files you want to remove, such as temporary files and system files. Additionally, use the storage option in Windows settings to optimize storage usage and remove unnecessary files. Disabling visual effects can be necessary to reduce system resource usage, improve battery life, enhance accessibility, improve performance on older hardware, and improve application performance. It is a simple and effective way to optimize your computer's performance, especially if you have limited hardware resources or are experiencing slow system performance. Open Windows Settings. Under the Visual Effects section, click on Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. In the Performance option window, select the Adjust for Best Performance option or customize specific visual effects to disable. Managing background apps is important to ensure system performance, extend battery life, protect privacy, limit network usage, and enhance security. It is a simple way to optimize your computer's performance and improve your overall experience using it. Open Windows Settings using Windows key plus I and go to Privacy, then Background Apps. Disable background apps that you don't need running in the background, conserving system resources. It's important to note that while increasing virtual memory can be beneficial, it is not a substitute for having an adequate amount of physical RAM. Adding more RAM to your system remains the most effective way to improve performance. However, if you can help mitigate those problems and provide a more stable and responsive computing experience, experiencing memory-related issues or running out of RAM, increasing virtual memory. Open Windows Settings using Windows key plus I and go to System, then About. Click on the Advanced System Settings link. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and click on the Settings under the Performance section. In the Performance Options window, go to the Advanced tab and click on Change under the Virtual Memory section and select Custom Size. Set the initial and maximum size according to your system's RAM. By following these steps, you can optimize your Windows 11 performance and make your computer run faster. These optimizations will not only improve performance but also enhance the stability and reliability of your system. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.